Hey guys, Dr. Nicole here with Healing Hands and welcome. You guys just caught me in the middle of a run, but did you guys know that chiropractic care plays a huge role in fitness and body performance, especially when it comes to athletics? There was just a new research article that was peer-reviewed and published in the Journal of Sports Rehabilitation that showed that misalignments and postural distortions slow the nerve impulses from the brain to the body. What does that mean? Well, for those of you who are athletes or into fitness, what that means is that if you have a postural distortion, then what that does is it takes the spinal cord as it travels through the center of the spine and it stretches that cord like a rubber band. Now here's the thing, this is why there's a problem with this, is that when the spinal cord is nice and relaxed, the velocity of the nerve impulse from the brain to the muscle is very high. So that spinal cord becomes a really good conductor of information from the brain to the muscle. But when the posture distorts and the spinal cord gets tense, tight, and smashed as it travels through the spinal canal, the velocity of the nerve impulse declines. So what does that mean? Well, if the information between the brain and the muscle is declined, well, you can just imagine that performance, balance, coordination, reactivity, all of it is impaired when we have these postural distortions. So if you're an athlete or if you love fitness and you love your body performing at its best, make sure that you get checked by a spinal corrective chiropractor.